undressed, 'cause she rocks it like the naughty wicked witch of the West. Far too pretty to be given it cheap, that's why she's making six figures, working 3 days a week. Yeah, she'd even break a promise in the promise to last. She didn't make it this far by just shaking hands. Single money making twice as hard as anyone can. She didn't make it this far by just shaking hands. Her name's in the press. Tough to keep it all a secret when you're one of the best. The judge is going easy 'cause he paid for her chest. Yeah, he loves his little naughty wicked witch of the West.